Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to deposit USDC into KAST Card. You can also use our code provided in the description to easily get started and activate the platform features. First, I open my KAST app and go to Receive Add Money. Then I select USDC and choose the Solana network because it's fast and has lower fees. After that, I copy my personal KAST deposit address to use in the next step. Now, I open my crypto exchange account and go to the USDC withdrawal page. I paste my KAST deposit address that I copied earlier and make sure everything looks correct before moving forward. Before sending anything, I carefully check the network and make sure it matches exactly with my KAST account. Since I selected Solana in KAST, I also choose Solana SPL here to avoid any transfer issues or lost funds. Next, I enter the amount of USDC I want to deposit, double check my wallet address and network one more time, and once everything looks correct, I tap Confirm Transfer to send the funds. After waiting a short time, I go back to my KAST account and see the USDC deposit successfully added to my balance. My updated funds are now visible and my KAST card is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.